Welcome to Guide to Everything. Welcome to Guide to Everything. On this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to apply for American visa. On this tutorial, we're going to teach you how to apply for American visa online. For you to apply for a successful visa application, you need to visit this website, www.usembassy.gov. Once you launch the website, you go to this place to select your country. If you look at the website, there are many, all the countries are there. If you look at the website very well, all the countries are there. The website is usembassy.gov. If you look at it, it is listed. The countries are listed according to the alphabetical order. If you go to A, you see Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Angola, and others. If you go to B, you see Bahamas and others. Go to C, the same way. So, but for this tutorial, we're going to use South Africa as our example. We're going to use South Africa as our example. You just click on South Africa, you click on Locate to locate your own embassy, the embassy in your country. You see, as you just type embassy here, click Locate, you see the results. You see the embassy in Pretoria, you see the embassy in Cape Town, the address with the phone number. You see the embassy in Durban with the address and phone number. You see the embassy in Johannesburg, the address and the phone number. So this is the website you commence with, www.usembassy.gov. You could see it has their logo is here also embedded on the website. The usembassy.gov logo is also embedded on the website. So after you have located the embassy in your country, so what you do now is you click on any of the links. So this one, the platform for us to initiate our application. You click on it, you come here, you see visa. You see the visa here, number 3 here. So click on visas. Sorry for that, it's going to come up. Internet is a little bit slow. So click on visa. So you scroll down to, once you click that, you scroll. That's going to be, you see this visa section. You could see here, you see visa section here. So you click on visa section for you to select the type of visa you want to apply for. So I've clicked on it. I've clicked on it for me to apply. Yes. So I've clicked on it now. You could see it's showing me two icons. One is for non-immigrant visas. The other icon is for immigrant visas. There are two different visas. The one for non-immigrant visa is where you apply if you are going to US on a temporary basis, which means maybe you're going there for tourism, you're going there for temporary employment, or you're going there to go and study. So that is the one you click to apply. If you want to go for a permanent stay in the US, you click the button by my right, the button by your right, the immigrant visa button by your right. If you are going for temporary stay, maybe a visit to US, whether for tourism, for temporary employment, or for study or something, you click on the one by your left. So let's click on the one by my left first. If you click the one on our left, I've clicked on the one by my left. Look at where it's taking us to. It will take you to this place. This is where it is taking us to. It is bringing us here. So if you read what is here, it's just giving us a guide on what to do next. So you see, go to this global support service, right click it. It will also take you to where you commence the application. Take it to where you commence the application. See, so we could see that from the onset we choose South Africa. So all this particular link here is on US Embassy, but a link for South Africa applicants. So here to show you how to do your application, you apply, you continue, and also guide you how you can complete this application processes here. So this is for non-immigrants. This is for non-immigrants. You can see the process is very straightforward. You come here, you click on this apply, and all that time you continue. So that is how to go about it. For your application to be successful, you have to follow this procedure: apply, continue, and how to apply. That is for non-immigrant visa application, non-immigrant American visa application, non-immigrant American visa application. So that is the process. Don't forget, when you click that particular icon I showed you before, you come here, click your global support services. It will bring you here where you can initiate the application. That is how that one is done, the one for non-immigrant visa application. So we are closing that particular template. So next one now is this one on my right here, immigrant visa application. So let's finish. Don't forget that there are two types of visa. There are two types of American visa application, one for non-immigrants and the other one for immigrants. We have showed you how you can into the application process for the non-immigrant visa, and for the one for the immigrant visa. Here is how you go about that. So here also you go to the visa application process. Click here to take you to where you will also apply for the visa. You could see here. When you go to say, then follow these steps on the immigrant visa process or on the diversity visa process. So you click either of them. Click here. It will take you to this particular place where you commence your application. You see, so here now to give you submit a petition. It has 6 steps. If you are applying for immigrant visa, immigrant American visa, it has 6 process steps. 6 steps. First step is for you to submit a petition. You click here, submit your petition. The next step is for you to begin. After your petition is approved, you begin national visa processing. National visa center processing. So step 1, you choose a student. Step 2, you pay for it. And step 3 is of application form. Step 4, documents. Step 4, you collect other documents. Step 5, collect some documents. Then go and so you are approved. So that the processes that are involved for the immigrant visa application. These are the processes involved in immigrant American process. This is helpful. So you must make sure you are seeing this logo as you're applying. This logo as you're applying. So and make sure you're also applying on the secure website to with your family. So I'm this your application. Non-visa, non-immigrant visa, and one for the immigrant visa. I hope this was for you. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. And if you have comments, don't use the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future videos. Thanks for viewing.